is going on, everybody? We have some epic unboxings to do. East Lansing, a drinking town with a football problem. Go Blue! We have 2 drones to unbox. First drone that we're unboxing, if you can read it, is the Sky Viper. Here's what the box looks like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Here's the back of the box. Kind of like a child's drone or something that you would get for a kid or adolescents, preteen. So ages 12 and up, right? So ages 12 and up. Get it for your preteen, you know? I love Amazon. Go to Amazon, dude. Amazon.com, and I have Prime. I just got all the batteries I'm going to need for the year. So let's finally freaking open this because I've been talking for a very long time. All right. Scissors. Super small, dude. It is like, oh my god. Look how small this drone is. Oh my god. It is super small. Like, that's how small it is. So as you see, the drone is super small. Simple. You just see those little holes there, you just slide that in there. There you go. And it extends, so for us big phone folks, iPhone Plusers and Samsung Galaxies, you can put it in there. You should be able to. And you just, oh my god, this is so cool, Mom. You freaking rock. Oh my god. See what I'm flying. This is freaking, oh my god, I can't believe it. Surprisingly, at 25, this will fit for 12 and up. anyways, that has been my unboxing of the Sky Viper. The Sky Viper is super small. You know, that's what I will say. This is definitely something I would recommend to get your preteen, your child, a kid, adolescents, or a beginner. You're not going to be able to shoot 4K with this. You're not even going to be able to shoot 1080p with this. 720p, like again, this is for a beginner. It's super small. It's about 100 to 130 bucks. You might be able to find it even cheaper. But I will be doing more unboxings, and I will definitely like do a test video with this. So you might want to stay tuned. Anyways, deuces.